Discover a practical product for controlling LED lighting. XC60 Touch Switch with an integrated UNI Connector for LED strips is a modern and convenient solution for everyday use. It helps with a quick and easy connection of 8 or 10 mm wide COB and SMD LED strips without the need for soldering. Thanks to its compact design, XC60 Switch fits easily into most aluminum profiles available in our range. When connected to a power supply, it provides a ready-to-use LED lighting control system with a maximum load of 3 amps, operating at 12 or 24 volts DC. XC60 Switch with UNI Connector is available in 2 versions, with a 2-meter cable or without a cable. More information can be found at designlight.eu.